Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change account owner in Insightly. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Insightly account. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and click on this profile icon. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on System Settings. Okay, click on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel, which is right here. Not this one, but this one. Okay, once you have it located, go ahead and click on Users. Okay, click on it. And once done, as you can see here, all the active users will be listed, and it's only you who's here. So to add another one or to add a new user, all we have to do is just add a new user. Okay, click right here at the top right, then add a first name, for example, Rhea Rabwa. Okay, my wife right here. I'm going to enter the email address, for example, just like that. And then under user details, I'm going to make sure that she's the administrator as well. Okay, got access to APIs and also can export permissions. Once that's done, I'm just going to hit on add new user, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, she's now added, and it says here invitation sent. So all she's got to do is just go ahead and log in and accept the invitation. All right, the person should receive the same exact email. All right, it says here, hi Rhea, you've been invited to join our CRM and project management system. Ryan Christian, which is me, has just finished setting up your account. You just need to choose a username and password and you're in. As you can see here, this particular message shows when the person doesn't have an account. So I'm just going to click on this link right here just for you to see. I'm going to go ahead and add in some password, create an account, wait for it to load. And in here, as you can see, I'm now logged in. I'm going to go back to the main account right here. I'm going to refresh the page. And as you can see here, she's now in the list. Okay. Now to finally change the owner, go to the top right, click on the profile icon. Now go ahead and go to billing and account. Click on it. Now in here, go ahead and click on account owner. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see here, I am the current account owner. So I'm going to click on select new account owner in the drop down. As you can see here, my wife has been added earlier. As you might remember, I'm just going to click on it and click on change account owner like so. And it's all done. Okay. You can go back to account owner section once more and under billing contact, click on the drop down and move it to her as well. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.